Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you Cisco Switch basic configuration step by step. In this video I am going to show you how to create multiple VLANs in Cisco Switch, how to name VLANs in Cisco Switch, how to assign IP addresses to VLANs, how to assign switch port to VLAN in Cisco Switch, how to enable inter-VLAN routing, and finally, I will show you how to set up a DHCP server on a Cisco switch. Now let's get started. Now first, I will show you how to log in a Cisco switch via console cable. As we know, every Cisco switch has a console port and this right here is mine. I am connecting my console cable RJ45 end on this side of the switch and the other end goes into my laptop USB port. Now let's jump over to my laptop to log into this Cisco switch. For that, I open application Mobile Extreme in my PC. After that, I click on Session, then Serial, and here I choose my PC COM port. In my case, it's COM4 and hit OK. Here I press enter couple of times. Like this, we will successfully log in to our Cisco switch via console cable. Then I type my first command, that is enable, and hit enter. Now first I will show you how to create multiple VLANs in Cisco Switch. To create VLAN in Cisco Switch, first we go to configuration mode by typing command config t and enter. Now we are in configuration mode. To create a new VLAN in Cisco Switch, we type command VLAN, and after that we need to mention our new VLAN number. For example, I want to create VLAN 50. For that I type 50 here and press enter. Like this, I successfully create a VLAN 50 into our Cisco switch. Let's create another one, VLAN 60, and enter and exit from here. Like this, two different VLANs, VLAN 50 and VLAN 60 has been created successfully in our Cisco switch. Now I will show you how to name those VLANs in Cisco switch. We must give name to these VLANs so it's easier to understand what's the purpose of these VLANs. For that, first we need to go to the specific VLAN. For that, I type command VLAN 50 and enter. Then I type command name CCTV and enter. So like this, I give name CCTV to my VLAN 50. Now let's assign name to our second VLAN. For that, I type command VLAN 60 and enter. Then I type command name data and enter. Nice and simple. To verify this configuration, first I exit from here and then I type command do show VLAN and enter. Here you can see our both VLANs, VLAN 50 and VLAN 60 and their names. Now in next step, I'm going to show you how to assign IP addresses to VLAN. It's also called the gateway IP address to that VLAN. For that, first we need to create the virtual interface for this VLAN. To achieve this, I type command interface VLAN 50 and enter. With this command, I create a virtual interface for VLAN 50 and then I type command IP address 10.10.50.254 and subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 and enter. Like this, I successfully assign an IP address to my CCTV VLAN, that is VLAN 50. Now let's assign IP address to VLAN 60 also. For that, first we will exit from here and then I type command interface VLAN 60 and enter. Then I assign an IP address to this virtual interface also. For that, I type command IP address 10.10.60.254 and subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 and enter. Like this, we successfully assign IP address to both VLANs. To verify the IP address status to our virtual interfaces, I type command do show IP interface brief and enter. So here you can see our physical interfaces that physically exist on our Cisco switch, and you can touch them and can connect the network cable there. And here you can see your virtual interfaces, that is VLAN 50 and VLAN 60, and their IP addresses 10.10.50.254 and 10.10.60.254. Now next, I'm going to show you how to assign switch port to a VLAN in Cisco Switch. We can assign single interface to any VLAN, and we can assign multiple interfaces also to a VLAN. First, I will show you how to assign a single interface to a VLAN. For that, I type command interface gigabit ethernet 1/0/1 and enter. First, we need to make this port as an access port. For that, I type command switch port mode access and enter. Next, I type switch port access VLAN 50 and enter. That's it, and exit from here. Now let me show you our gigabit ethernet 1/0/1 port status in Cisco Switch. For that, I type command do show VLAN and enter. And here you can see our Cisco Switch port 1 is successfully assigned to VLAN 50. But I want to assign first 6 port to VLAN 50, and I don't want to do each interface one by one. So that's why we use the range command. Now I will use the range command to configure the multiple interfaces at once. For that, I type command interface range gigabit ethernet 1/0/2-6 and enter. So now my 5 ports from port 2 to 6 are selected at once. First, I make these ports as access port. For that, I type command switch port mode access and enter. Then I type switch port access VLAN 50 and enter. By these commands, all 5 ports are converted to access port and they are belong to VLAN 50 now. Exit from here and let me show you port status again in our Cisco switch by typing command do show VLAN. And here you can see we successfully assign multiple interfaces at once to our VLAN 50. Now I will assign next 6 interfaces at once to VLAN 60. For that, I type command interface range gigabit ethernet 1/0/7-12 and enter. Now first, I will change these ports to access port. For that, I type command switch port mode access and enter. Then I assign these access ports to VLAN 60 by typing command switch port access VLAN 60 and enter and exit from here. We finished here, and once again let me show you the switch port by typing command do show VLAN and enter. So here you can see first 6 ports belong to VLAN 50 and next 6 interfaces belong to VLAN 60. The remaining interfaces still belong to default VLAN, that is VLAN 1. Now I will show you how to enable inter-VLAN routing in Cisco Switch. This is the most important part. This will make VLANs to talk with each other. To enable inter-VLAN routing in Cisco Switch, I type command IP routing and enter. That's it. This magical command allows our end devices from different VLANs to communicate with each other via Cisco Switch. Now in last step, I will show you how to set up a DHCP server on a Cisco Switch. As you know, DHCP server automatically manage and assign IP addresses to end devices. So to configure the DHCP server for each VLAN, we type command IP DHCP pool, and here we need to give the DHCP pool name. I'm going to create this DHCP server for my VLAN 50, so I give name 50 and enter. Next, we need to define the network for VLAN 50. For that, I type command network 10.10.50.0/24, the full subnet, and enter. Next, I need to define the default route or gateway of this DHCP server. For that, I type command default router 10.10.50.254. This is the same IP address that we assigned earlier to VLAN 50 as gateway IP address. Enter and exit from here. Like this, we successfully create one DHCP server for our VLAN 50. Now the same thing we need to do for our VLAN 60. For that, I type command IP DHCP pool 60 and enter. Let's define network for VLAN 60 by command network 10.10.60.0/24 and enter. Then I type default router 10.10.60.254, the gateway IP address of VLAN 60, and exit from here and exit again. The most important thing in the networking field is to save the configuration in Cisco Switch. So to save this configuration in Cisco Switch, we use command copy running config startup config and enter again. That's it. So in this video, we successfully create multiple VLAN in Cisco Switch. We assign the name to VLANs. We successfully assign the gateway IP address to VLAN, and we create multiple access ports, and we successfully enable the Inter-VLAN routing in Cisco 2960 switch. And at the end, we successfully create DHCP servers in our Cisco switch. Now it's time to test the configuration. For that, let's go to our hardwares. I brought my two laptops. One laptop I connect to the first 6 port of my Cisco switch that belong to VLAN 50. And this laptop should get the IP address automatically from VLAN 50 DHCP server. And my second laptop I connect to next 6 ports of my Cisco 2960 switch that belong to VLAN 60. And this laptop also will get IP address automatically from VLAN 60 DHCP server. Physical connectivity is done, and now let's check the both laptop. Are they get the IP address automatically or not? This is my first laptop. I open the command prompt here and I type command IP config and enter. And here you can see this laptop get IP address 10.10.50.1 automatically from DHCP server. Now let's check the same thing on our second laptop. Open the command prompt here and then type IP config and enter. And here you can see this laptop also get the IP address 10.10.60.1 automatically from DHCP server. Now let's check the inter-VLAN connectivity between both VLANs by pinging each other. For that, I type command ping 10.10.50.1. That's my VLAN 50 laptop IP address, and press enter. And here you can see we successfully ping our VLAN 50 laptop from VLAN 60 network. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.